The SilverStone Fara 514X is an ATX mid-tower PC case that stands out for its solid performance and stylish design, all while maintaining a budget-friendly price tag. This case combines effective cooling, impressive aesthetics, and robust build quality, making it a worthy contender for users looking to balance price and performance. One of the standout features of the Fara 514X is its impressive cooling capabilities. The case comes pre-installed with four 120mm ARGB fans, which provide good airflow with a touch of style. The addressable RGB lighting adds a nice flair, offering a customizable visual experience for those who appreciate a little extra pop in their build. For users who are looking to go further with cooling, the case supports two 360mm radiators, giving plenty of room for custom water cooling setups. Despite its cooling prowess, the case keeps noise levels low, thanks to the effective airflow design. In terms of build quality, the Fara 514X is made from sturdier materials than some of its competitors at this price point, which contributes to a more premium feel. The tempered glass side panel allows users to show off their build, though it's worth noting that the dust control isn't as robust as one might hope. With limited dust filters, you may need to clean the case more often to maintain optimal airflow. Additionally, the non-replaceable knockout slot covers can be a bit of a hassle if you're looking to modify the case down the line. The interior of the Fara 514X is spacious, supporting the ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini IDX motherboards, as well as a generous maximum GPU length of 406mm. This makes it an excellent choice for users planning to build a high-performance rig with a large graphics card. The case also offers two 3.5-inch internal bays and two 2.5-inch bays for storage, giving ample space for multiple drives. One potential downside is the number of screws provided, which some users have noted might not be enough for all configurations, especially if you plan to install additional components or change up your setup. Overall, while the SilverStone Fara 514X might be slightly pricier than some competing models, it offers excellent value for those looking for a balance of airflow, cooling, and aesthetics. Whether you're building a budget gaming PC or a high-performance workstation, this case is well worth considering. The combination of sturdy materials, good cooling performance, and appealing design makes it a standout in the budget case market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.